Discover the fascinating world of Vedic wisdom and cultural traditions, where time, nature, and spirituality come together to create a rich tapestry of life. The Vedic tradition recognizes a cycle of 60 years, punctuated by the changing solstices and 6 distinct seasons. 12 months, each divided into fortnights, guide the rhythms of life, with each lunar day holding significance. The 7 days of the week align with celestial bodies, while 27 constellations map out the cosmic dance. 9 planets influence the 12 zodiac signs, each with its own ruler and unique energy. 9 precious gems hold mystical powers, while 5 elements form the foundation of existence. Moral and ethical codes guide us, highlighting 5 great sins, while 16 progenies represent continuity of life. The Puranas and epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana are the treasure troves of timeless wisdom and stories. This intricate web of Vedic knowledge connects us to the cosmos, nature, and each other. Explore, learn, and embrace the wisdom of the ages.